Use the graph to find an equation for the quadratic. If we have the x-intercepts of the quadratic, it can be very easy to find most of the equation of the quadratic. So I notice here that the quadratic has x-intercepts at -4 and +6. All right, so we have x-intercepts at -4, 0 and 6, 0. Well, that means that the solutions of a quadratic equation were -4 and 6. So x is equal to -4 and x is equal to 6. Well, that means that x plus 4 is 0 and x minus 6 is 0. So what I see here is I have two factors. I have a factor of x plus 4 and a factor of x minus 6. So I can write the equation of the quadratic as y equals a times x plus 4 times x minus 6. And now all I have to do is figure out what is the value of a. Now I know the a is positive since the graph opens up, but I'm not sure if it's a 1 or if it's a 2 or is it some decimal number. So now what I'm going to do is find another point on the curve, substitute it in for x and y, and solve for a to revise the model. So I'm going to use this point right here, 4, -16. When x is 4, y is -16. So then -16 would equal a times 4 plus 4 by 4 minus 6. I substituted it 4 for x. So -16 would equal a times 8 times -2. -16 would equal a times -16. Dividing through by the -16, a is equal to 1. A is 1. So then revising our model, y is equal to 1 by x plus 4 by x minus 6. And if we multiply that all out, we will get y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 24. And notice that the y-intercept is -24, which matches with our graph. All right, here's another one. Same basic idea. We have x-intercepts at -2 and at +4. X equals -2, which means that x plus 2 is 0. X equals +4, which means that x minus 4 is equal to 0. So I can write y is equal to a by x plus 2 by x minus 4. Now, using another point on the curve, I'm going to use the point 6, -8. So then -8 would equal a. We have some 6's here. -8 is equal to a by 6 plus 2 by 6 minus 4. -8 would equal a by 8 by 2. -8 would equal a by 16. Dividing through by 16, a is equal to -1/2. So revising my model, y would equal -1/2 by x plus 2 by x minus 4. Now, let me go ahead and, well, the negative is a reasonable number since the parabola does open down. Let's go ahead and multiply this out. Simplifying the right-hand side, I'd have y is -1/2 by x squared minus 2x minus 8. And then distributing, I'd have y is -1/2 x squared plus x plus 4. Notice that the plus 4 matches up with your y-intercept, So we can be fairly confident that this is correct.